This tutorial shows you the basics of constraining the model builder. If we take the model builder and we build benzene, aromatic ring, we get the structure with equal bond lengths, of course, of 1.4 angstroms. If we wanted to modify those lengths to be something other than 1.4 or constrain them to be something other than 1.4, it's difficult to do. We cannot edit them to 1.5 because they're in a ring and they're not independent. Everything else in the ring depends upon that bond length as well. However, the model builder will take constraints, and if we want to build this with specific bond lengths, we can do so. So if we take this bond and instead of editing it, we constrain that bond length to be, instead of 1.4, say 2, we can do so, and what we do is then rebuild the model builder, and that gives us a structure where this bond length here is built to 2 angstroms. It's constrained to 2 angstroms, and the rest of the ring is built with that constraint. If we want to constrain this one over here also to be 2 angstroms, we can do so. 2 angstroms, rebuild this molecule again, and now we have at least a pseudo-regular structure where 2 of these bonds are, this bond is 2 angstroms and this bond is 2 angstroms, and the other ones are 1.4 basically. The standard length that it would like to use, and we've constrained it to use 2 different lengths for 2 of the bonds. So you can't edit a ring structure directly, but you can constrain the builder to build rings with particular constraints on them, like these particular bond lengths. And you can do the same thing with angles and so on. And constraints to the model builder, if you select something such as an angle, the model builder will allow you to constrain those angles, bond lengths, or torsional angles, and in addition will allow you to constrain the geometry about a single atom if you want to, from sp3 to sp2 and so on and so forth. Anyway, those are the basic model builder constraints in HyperChem.